Good day everyone. I'm Noemi Gadjano from BSCS4B, and today I'm going to discuss those parts of operating system. What is GUI? A graphical user interface, or GUI, is a human-computer interface, a way for humans to interact with computers that uses windows, icons, and menus, and which can be manipulated by a mouse and to some extent using keyboard. And a major advantage of GUIs is that they make computer operation easier to learn and use. For example, it is much easier for a new users to move a file from one directory to another by dragging its icon with the mouse than by having to remember and type of many commands to accomplish the same task. So, what are the benefits of multiprocessor system? The first one is increased throughput. By increasing the number of processors, more work can be completed in a unit time. And the second one is cost saving. Parallel systems share the memory, buses, peripherals, etc. Multiprocessor system that saves money as compared to multiple single system. And it also, if a number of programs are to operate on the same data, it is cheaper to store the data on one single disk and shared by all processors instead of using many copies of the same data. And the last one is increased reliability. In this system, as the workload is distributed among several processors, which result in increased reliability, if one processor fails, then its failure may slightly slow down the speed of the system, but system will work smoothly. And what is virtual memory? Virtual memory is a feature of an operating system that enables a computer to be able to compensate shortage of physical memory by transferring page of data from random access memory to this storage. So this process is done temporarily and is designed to work as a combination of RAM and space on the hard disk. So this means that when RAM runs low, virtual memory can move data from it to a space called a paging file. This process allows for a RAM to be freed up so that a computer can complete the task. So why is the operating system is important? An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory and processes, as well as all of its software and hardware. It also allows you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer's language. So without operating system, our computer is useless. So what is thread in operating system? A thread is a flow of execution through the process code with its own program, counter that keeps track of its instruction to execute next, system registers which hold its current working variables, and the stack which contains the execution history. A thread is also called lightweight process. These threads provide a way to improve application performance through parallelism. These threads represent a software approach to improving performance of operating system by reducing the overhead. Overhead thread is equivalent to a classical process.